to creative visual designs. In this video, I'm going to be going over one way that you can make money online using Canva, and I'm going to be creating a series, so please make sure to comment. Let me know the type of content that you want me to create, like this video, and subscribe so that you don't miss my next videos where I go over how to make money online using Canva. So I'm going to go right into it. So this particular idea is something that you can go ahead and sell on Etsy as well as your own website. And so I'm going to go right into it. So this is for people who are homeschooling their children, or children that are too young to go to school. They're in pre-K or they're younger, but you want them to learn how to or practice how to write their letters. And so you're going to be making a custom writing paper for them. So this can include their name, their first and last name. This can include writing their address or writing their phone number, if they want to teach their child how to write their parents' phone number to learn it. And it also can include the ABCs. And so it's pretty quick and easy to make. And you can go ahead and charge for these custom home homeschooling sheets. And so we're going to go here, or if it's just extra practice for kids who are in school. So what you're going to do is I did a 8 by 5 by 11, which is a typical page for printing. And you're going to go over here to where the text is, and you're going to type in school, just so we can get those type of fonts. And then we're going to go over here and see all. Sorry, let's see, go back here, school, see all up here, not down there. Sorry about that. And so we're going to click right here where it says KJ primary dots. And so we want this one because it's the dots for tracing and it's the lines, so they can learn how to write within the lines. And so you're going to just go ahead and size it. Make sure it doesn't go too close to the edges for printing purposes, so it doesn't get cut off. And what you can do is you can just start out, have your capital caps on, and just go ahead and do a space between each letter so they can practice doing each letter. X, Y, and Z. So we have that. We're going to make it a little bit smaller, like we said, for printing. And then the next thing, you can do it, have it be multiple sheets just for fitting purposes. The next thing we can do is we can write the child's name. So let's say Amira. And then we can go ahead and make it bigger. And then we can duplicate it and we can do her name in lowercase letters so they can practice writing. Well, the first letter is capitalized, and then doing it with the other letters lowercase so they can practice their lowercase letters. And then you can go ahead and duplicate this, and you can do their numbers 1 through 10. And you can go ahead and make different variations of this and sell it and have it as to show on your Etsy account for them to choose from. And we're going to go ahead and make this line spaces a little bit closer. We're going to bring it in, and this can be, maybe you can sell 2 sheets and it's a bundle, or 3 sheets, and you can just create the bundle so they can see it and they can customize for what they want. And so right here, this could be the first one. And if you wanted to make the ABCs bigger, you could move this down to the next page and do that as well. So we could take this off, move this down, and bring it in like this. Might actually have to do more rows to make it bigger. So it's all about what you're looking to do. So you can do something like that and have just the name and the ABCs on one page to make the ABCs bigger. But I actually tested this out and printed it out for my child, and this sizing was perfect with doing the 3, and he was able to trace it out. So you could do the name 1 through 10, and you can do words. If you're teaching them sight words, you can go ahead and do that as well. So you can have a list of sight words, and that just depending on what level it is. If it's 2-letter words, you can do more. So you can do something like this for them to trace. So however you want to customize, but I know of course you want to having their name, and you can also customize it by doing different themes. So, or just like how you decorate around this. So if we wanted to, let's say that this is for a girl, and we wanted to do like her custom name, and then we also wanted to do like maybe like a princess thing, we can just customize this a little bit. Let's see. Put a princess there. We can have, I think this one goes along with the texture of that. We can have the princess castle there, whatever elements you want to add to it. You can even make all of this smaller if you want it to fit. But I know the main focus is this. So you want to make sure that but this is to have it even more customized. You can have different themes to go along with, to be able to catch people's attention also, and they know that their kids will like it as well. So we have that, and go move that. We're gonna lock that right now, and you can go ahead and make her smaller and twist her. Make her smaller and have her just stick out like that. And you can add maybe one more. These are supposed to represent, I'm assuming, Snow White, Cinderella. And you can have it like that. Then we got the wand. So you can just basically do like a quick theme like that, along with the letters and the customization of that. If you wanted to do, let's say, we might not want to do too much with the background just because they're going to have to write on this. But let's see how it looks. This is a crown background. Yeah, it might be too much, but let's see. Let's make it a little bit more transparent, like that. And then we're going to position to the back. Doesn't look the worst, but you kind of don't want it to be too distracting because they have to write on this. But if you did like a really low transparency, you might be able to get away with it. And then there you go. You go ahead and sell this on Etsy. You would go ahead and hit share. And of course, this you're just going to download as a PNG so that you can make your mock-ups for Etsy. And then when you get a new order, all you have to do is hit duplicate and type in the child's name, size it depending on how long their name is, and you keep everything else the same. So it's pretty easy. Then you go ahead, you can name it the child's name so that you can writing practice. And then you're going to go ahead and when you download it, you're going to hit download and you're going to hit PDF print and you're going to make sure you hit professional printing. And then you're going to select that particular page and then you're just going to download it. And then you're going to, how Etsy tells you to submit a document for digital products, this is what you're going to submit to them, depending on how many sheets it comes with what they purchase. And then that is it. So this has been a way that you can make money online using Canva. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I have a goal to get to 1,000 subscribers. But first, when I get to 300 subscribers, I will be giving out a template that I create to one of my subscribers. That also has been commenting in my videos and is subscribed, and I will be giving it away for free. And you can sell this template to make money online. You can use it yourself. You can duplicate it, edit it. I will be sending you a Canva link that you can go ahead and do whatever you choose. So please subscribe. And I thank you for watching all the way to the end. If you did, please comment down below and let me know what else you want me to cover on my channel. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.